A city that never sleeps, fueled by a constant supply. But the clutter builds, damage accumulates.
Inefficiency grows. The system is running down. Then, the fuel stops. An energy crisis begins. Survival mode is engaged. A fundamental choice must be made. Decay or spring cleaning. The order is given. A process as old as life. Autophagy. To eat oneself.
It seeks out the broken, the useless, the toxic.
And seals it away. The recycling plant.
Junk sunk is broken down, digested, dissolved.
Turned into raw materials. Fuel from the fire itself. The crisis becomes the cure. The fast, a feast. The cell is renewed, lighter, stronger, ready. A cellular spring cleaning.